Okay, so continuing work on the floor pan, driver's side. The hole has been cut and prepared. Used a little bit of copper weld there on the right hand side because that will be covered by the plate. Also drilled some holes in the front flange to do some plug welding and try to clean up the edge here as much as possible. It is pitted, but with a wire brush I think it's as good as we can get. And then the piece itself, sitting over here, ready to go in. Some holes here for the plug welding on the side near the chassis rail. Again, another little bit of copper weld. This is going to be the tricky corner because it fits in there nesting against the wheel arch, but should be okay. I managed to put a little bit of a bend here where it kicks up to meet the flange on the toe board there. So that's the plan today. Get that welded in. Pretty much done. Using seam sealer. Well, I think close up any small pinholes, but yeah, job done.